Hi friends, this is 14th video of power system series. In this video we will see the disadvantage and applications of skin effect. First we will discuss about the disadvantage. We know that due to skin effect, area over which current flows decreases. See this conductor. Here for DC, current flow through entire cross section of conductor. Now due to skin effect, you can see current flows up to skin depth delta. This red portion shows area over which current flows, and we can conclude from this, due to skin effect, effective cross sectional area of conductor decreases, and we know that resistance is inversely proportional to the effective cross sectional area. So as effective cross sectional area decreases, then resistance increases. So due to skin effect resistance of conductor increases. So in formula of resistance, suppose if DC current is flowing through conductor, then we can write RDC is equals to rho L by A. Rho is the resistivity, L is the length of conductor, and A is the total cross sectional area of conductor, because in case of DC there is no skin effect. Suppose if we are using the same material, and suppose AC current is flowing through that material. Now we will write the formula of resistance as RAC is equals to rho L by capital A. Here rho is the resistivity, L is the length, and here capital A is the effective cross sectional area of conductor. So here in case of DC we take the small a, that is total cross sectional area, while in case of AC we will take the capital A, that is effective cross sectional area of conductor. So in formula of resistance we will take effective area in case of AC and total area in case of DC. Now very important factor, that is factor of skin effect. You must know about it. So factor of skin effect is given by small a by capital A. It means total area upon effective area. So it means it is equals to RAC by RDC. So for transmission line this factor is very important, and for transmission lines the factor of skin effect is nearly equals to 1.2 to 1.3. Now this is all about disadvantages of skin effect. Apart from these disadvantages, there is also an application of skin effect. Now you can ask how skin effect is beneficial. So the concept of skin effect is utilized to protect highly sensitive elements or instrument. See how. Suppose we have an instrument and it is very sensitive, and we have to protect it. And we have to protect it from electromagnetic waves. Okay. Then we will wrap this instrument with a conductor having thickness slightly more than skin depth of conductor. So in this way we can protect that instrument. See this figure. Here this green box is our instrument. It is surrounded by this conductor. When EM waves fall on this conductor, they will only penetrate up to skin depth delta of conductor. Okay, so these EM waves will only penetrate up to delta. So here thickness of this conductor is chosen, that is thickness of this conductor is already chosen greater than skin depth of this conductor. So EM waves will not reach our instrument. In this way we can protect our sensitive instrument. Now it's time to summarize my previous lecture. In lecture 9 I told you about types of conductor and explained that solid conductors are circular and how solid circular conductors are advantageous. I also explained that why cross section of a conductor is circular, and that how it minimizes the corona effect in circular conductor. Then in lecture number 10 we covered the hollow conductor. Hollow conductor are mainly used in substations for bus bars. They reduce the corona, but they have problem of sag. That's why they cannot be used for long spans, or they cannot be used when distance between towers is large, because they have very big problem of sag. So conclusion of lecture number 9 and lecture number 10 was circular solid conductors are very good, but they have problem of skin effect, and hollow conductors application is limited to bus bar conductors only. That is due to sag. Okay. So in lecture 11, 12 and 11 to 14, I told you the concept of skin effect, and then this skin effect is our main issue which we have to overcome. So to overcome the skin effect, we studied the stranded conductors. So in next lecture, we are going to learn the concept of stranded conductors. So in next lecture, we will study the concept of stranded conductors. Till then, thank you. Jai Shri Ram.